Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to manually regenerate a Ram 2500. First, ensure your truck's engine is at its normal operating temperature. This is crucial for the process to work effectively. Next, find a safe, well-ventilated outdoor area to park, away from any flammable materials. Finally, make sure your vehicle is in park and the parking brake is fully engaged before proceeding. To begin, navigate through your truck's dashboard menu to find the Diesel Particulate Filter, or DPF, regeneration option. For certain Ram 2500 models, you might need a specialized OBD-ROMAN2 diagnostic scan tool to initiate this process. Once you locate the option, simply follow the prompts displayed to start the regeneration cycle. During regeneration, the process usually takes about 20 to 45 minutes. You'll notice the engine RPM may increase, and exhaust temperatures will rise significantly, potentially reaching over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It's important not to interrupt this cycle. You'll know the regeneration is complete when the DPF warning light on your dashboard turns off and the engine returns to its normal idle speed. Remember, it's vital not to turn off your engine or drive your truck while the regeneration is active. Interrupting it can cause issues. If the regeneration process doesn't complete successfully, or if warning lights remain illuminated, it's best to consult a qualified technician. Also, for great deals and the link to the Oala water bottle, check out the description below. Keeping your Ram 2500 DPF clean helps maintain engine performance and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.